Throughout history, humanity has been haunted by the idea of the world's end. Whether through natural disasters, human-made catastrophes, or emerging existential threats, the possibility of our world's demise looms large. Let's embark on a journey into the realms of doomsday scenarios, peering into the abyss of possibilities that could one day spell the end of our world. Asteroid impact. One of the most dramatic scenarios for the end of the world involves a massive asteroid colliding with Earth. The impact could lead to widespread devastation, triggering tsunamis, wildfires, and a nuclear winter effect as debris shrouds the atmosphere. The most famous example of this theory is the extinction event that is believed to have wiped out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. While efforts are underway to track and potentially divert hazardous asteroids, the risk remains low but not negligible. Supervolcanic eruption. Some scientists warn of the catastrophic consequences of a supervolcanic eruption, such as the Yellowstone caldera in the United States. Such an eruption could release an immense amount of ash and gases into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight, disrupting climate patterns, and potentially leading to mass extinctions. While supervolcanoes are relatively rare and their eruptions even rarer, they are considered serious geological threats. Nuclear war. The specter of a nuclear apocalypse has haunted the world since the development of atomic weapons during World War II. A large-scale nuclear conflict between major powers could result in widespread destruction, fires, radioactive fallout, and a nuclear winter scenario similar to an asteroid impact's aftermath. The Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union was characterized by the constant threat of mutually assured destruction, MAD, which was thought to deter either side from launching a first strike. While the likelihood of a large-scale nuclear war has decreased since then, regional conflicts and nuclear proliferation remain concerns. Climate change. Human-induced climate change is a slow-burning global threat that has the potential to disrupt ecosystems, cause sea level rise, intensify extreme weather events, and displace millions of people. While it may not bring about an abrupt end to the world, it could result in a cascade of catastrophic consequences over time, affecting food security, water resources, and geopolitical stability. Efforts to mitigate and adapt to climate change are ongoing, but require international cooperation and significant changes in behavior. Pandemics and disease. The world has experienced pandemics throughout history, such as the Spanish flu in 1918. While advances in medicine have made pandemics less deadly, emerging infectious diseases, bioterrorism threats, or the potential for antibiotic-resistant superbugs pose ongoing risks. A highly contagious and lethal pathogen could theoretically lead to widespread illness and societal disruption. Artificial intelligence. Some futurists and scientists speculate about a future in which artificial superintelligence surpasses human intelligence. While this scenario could bring about significant advancements, it also raises concerns about the control and alignment of superintelligent systems. If not properly managed, rogue AI could pose existential risks. Cosmic catastrophes. Beyond Earth, cosmic events like a nearby gamma-ray burst, a solar flare, or the eventual death of the sun as it becomes a red giant, could pose existential threats to life on our planet. Unknown unknowns. Finally, there is the recognition that we may be unaware of potential threats or unknown unknowns. History has shown that unforeseen events can have profound impacts. It's essential to note that while these scenarios are scientifically plausible, the probability of any one of them causing the end of the world in the near future is low. Humanity has made significant strides in risk assessment, mitigation, and preparedness for many of these scenarios. Moreover, international cooperation and scientific advancements play crucial roles in reducing these risks. The concept of the end of the world serves as a reminder of the importance of responsible stewardship of our planet, the necessity of disaster preparedness, and the value of diplomatic efforts to prevent conflicts. It also underscores our enduring fascination with the unknown and our efforts to understand and safeguard our future.